guys, TinaGale here, and I had posted on my Instagram that I had purchased the Simple Stories warehouse box, and I had some requests to show what was in it. So I thought I would do hopefully a quicker video. I'm going to talk here in the beginning, so if you don't want to listen to that, you just want to see, just fast forward. I always tell people that if you're going to consider buying a warehouse box, make sure that you love the company and its products. Simple Stories is my favorite company, and I know that I like 99.9% of everything they create. Probably 100, I don't know. I'm allowing myself a little room. So I am always comfortable buying their warehouse box. I've bought it before. It's been a long time. I am purging right now to downsize and to move probably within a year. And so I should not be buying this, but I got sucked in the Facebook group that's Shop at Home or something like that, where they have vendors come in. Simple Stories was one of them, and they offered a 20% off coupon, including the warehouse box and their warehouse. And they also included, when you buy from their outlet, if it's $75, you get free shipping. And occasionally they do this on the warehouse box. Most of the time you still have to pay separate shipping for the warehouse box. But this time they included the warehouse box. So I ordered, this cost me $76 altogether. That was free shipping, 20% off. So the warehouse box is usually $49.99 plus shipping. And I got it for $40. So I was confident even if I had duplicates, I would be good. So that is my disclaimer. What is on top is what I bought from the Simple Stories website store and their outlet store. So I have started using these flip books for my husband's four-wheeling trips. He absolutely loves them because it's just photos and page protectors. My daughter also came and borrowed one, so I decided I'm just going to keep them on hand. And I love the wood grain, so I got a 4x6 and a 6x8. Picked up a couple of more refills because I'm going through them like crazy, or I should say they are. So I did pick those up in the regular store, but they were 20% off, so it was a little bit of savings. This was in the outlet, so these are the Best Year Ever monthly foam stickers. And I have this collection times 2 to 3 because I love it so much, but I had not ordered these because you get the months and the other products, and I didn't think I needed them, but they were like $2. And I have an alphabet sticker. I don't know where that came from. It was like $2 with the discount plus the 20% off, so I decided it needed to come home and be with the rest of my collection. So starting with this is part of the outlet store and some of the specials, but I still ordered this. This was a holiday bundle. I think they're like $15. There's different price ranges, but I think I ended up paying $10 for this with the 20% off. So it is the full Holly Jolly Simple Stories collection plus the sticker sheet, plus they threw in the sticker sheet for the winter farmhouse, which is cool, and then the bits and pieces. So I have the journal ones and just the bits and pieces. So that is a steal for like $10. So that's what I bought out of just the regular priced and the outlet store. This is all of the warehouse box. So like I said, it is normally $49.99 plus 20 some odd dollars in shipping. I got it for $40 and I got free shipping because I added more to it to make up to the $75. They are still available. The 20% discount is over with, but you can still get the warehouse box. And if you want to see other people's boxes, I went to YouTube and just put in Simple Stories Warehouse Box 2021, came up with lots of videos. So I had already seen kind of what was in them, and you can see a progression. The ones that are older has different product than what's being shipped out right now, and mine was even just a little bit different than others. One thing that was consistent was this stamp set. I think I saw it in all of the boxes. So it's a really cute stamp set. I do not stamp, but love the little tag, and I like the phrases, so I'll probably hang on to it just because I need to start doing phrases and things. I collect them because I think that's cool and I like how other people use them. So that was consistent. There were, well, I'll wait on that. This, I'm not sure that I saw this. I don't know. But it's the Simple Vintage Great Escape, which I love their vintage collections, and I don't have this. I have a few of the 12 by 12 sheets from a scrap room kit. So I was completely thrilled to be able to get this. Lots of great B-sides, maps. I love the soft vintage colors in these collections. It's very much me. So there's 2 sheets of every one of those. So that was cool. There was a couple of sticker sheets. So most of the boxes had some small sticker sheets. I got the baby one, which is okay. I've already done my baby albums, but I have baby photos that I can do, and I have friends that have new grandbabies, so I can pass it on to them. And then Always and Forever, which I have not done my wedding album because I'm terrified to do it, and my photos are not that fantastic, but I will definitely use those. And then the snap cards, most everybody had some of these. I got the Going Places and Summer Farmhouse. So this is fine by me as well. I love these like this for journaling, and I don't do like pocket page scrapbooking that much, but I do use the cards, and like I said, I love the ones that are like journal. And I use them for photo mats. I also fussy cut images out for embellishments. So those were the 2 snap cards that I got. Everybody got a bag of washi, and this is what I received, and really I am good with all of them. I love washi. So I had a couple that's Disney. So these 2 are Disney themed, which I will use. A map theme, which I love the map. Unicorns I will not use, but I use washi to tape stuff down and use, so that's fine. This is the only one that I think I may already have this. I believe this goes to one of the I Am collections, but it's gorgeous, and if I have it, I will just pass it on along. And then I have another floral here, a rainbow, and a heart, and I may have this as well. So I am making up for sale boxes, priority boxes, to get rid of a lot of stuff before I pack my studio, so some of this may go in it. The other thing was this little bundle, which was a boy bundle, and it's the Bro and Co. and Brad's, which I love Brad's. That one's kind of popping off there. Whoops. So I can use those for anything. It doesn't just have to be Bro. Couple of washies. Again, I think I have these, so they'll probably go in one of my priority boxes. And the journal bits, which there's actually 2 of these in here. You'll see another one. But again, these are just primary colored labels and journaling spots. I can use those on anything. Ones that are a little bit more specific, I may take out and make up a little packet again for a priority box. Then I saw these in a lot of people's boxes as well. So they're the foam stickers, which I love these. This is the birthday collection, the boy and the girl, which I am overrun with birthday collections and have made a priority box for those. But I'm going to keep these. I love foam phrases. So those were in my box. This is another thing. I have decided to purge all of my cardstock except for my neutrals, my white, my cream, my craft, black, navy, and some tan. So I was a little bit disappointed that I got 2 packs of cardstock, or their colored paper. So these will go in another priority box as well because I just don't need them. It is cool because it has like a texture print on it, so it's cool looking. I love the navy. Might have to steal the navy out of there. No, I won't. Don't need any cardstock. I'm starting over. So that will go in a box for sale. I was tickled pink about these. This is the Winter Cottage chipboard frames, and I love their chipboard frames, and it will go with the holiday bundle that I purchased. So I was excited to see those. And then I also got the Winter Farmhouse chipboard pieces, and that will go with that collection as well. So I love those. This was another one that I was like, would not have bought this. I don't do Halloween. So, but I have a friend that does. So this was a bundle, and it may be for purchase just by itself too. You may see it in the store. There were actually 2 of these in here. I'm not sure if they didn't realize they were stuck together, but that will go, one will go to a friend that loves Halloween, one will go in a priority box for sale. This is the Say Cheese Happy Kids Halloween. And I actually love these, and we did do Halloween night at Disney, so I may have to borrow just a few of these out of here. I'll have to look at them and see what we got, see if I can use them some other way. So I may be passing those on along. And then it came with the Happy Haunting collection, which again, I don't do Halloween, but I love these colors because it puts the pink and the peach in there. And it has florals, so I really think I'm probably going to keep most all of this just for the B-sides, and I'll flip through here and show you maybe. But yeah, I mean, I totally could use that and it not be Halloween. When you get into the black, it puts it a little bit more kind of Halloween looking, but the leaves, the plaid. So it's really just the A-sides that's Halloween. And this one. And then it comes with a sticker sheet as well, so that will probably get passed on along. Halloween stuff. So this is why I say be careful about warehouse boxes. If you don't think you're going to love everything or use it somehow, you're better off taking your money, go buy in the outlet store or somewhere else. But don't buy warehouse boxes that you're like, oh, I like some of their stuff. Not a good deal. This was another bundle that was put together. So this matches the other Bro & Co. that was in here. Has the paper collection, the chipboard pieces, and another one of the journal bits. So this is what I was saying. There's 2 in here, which is kind of odd. And then the sticker sheet that goes along with it. So some of this will get passed on along, and some of it I will use for B-sides. I will keep most all of that because I do have boy collections. And then this is the Say Cheese for paper pad, which I don't normally do paper pads, but I do like this one. I like this collection. I have one paper. Let me show you this one. I think that is the prettiest paper, and I have bought that several times over because it's perfect for anything. The reason I don't do much paper pads is because the colors are not as bright. It's very muted. But I will use this one, and I will probably pass some on along because I don't need 2 of everything. So that was a look of my warehouse box. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you want to see more, you're thinking about it, search on YouTube. You can see lots of people's boxes. So that's mine. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.